Is it sometimes difficult for you to write a text in front of an image when you don't have enough contrast? Because of that, today I'm going to show you 4 different ways to boost your text clarity using Canva. Just like this. Let's go. Before doing that, let me just present myself to you. I am Everlin, a brand designer and a Canva creator. And if you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe now for the channel. So to boost text clarity in Canva, the first way you can do this is using shapes. You go here to Elements and take a square shape. And let's add a dark color to it, but you can use any color, even your brand colors. And what we're going to do is we are going to click here and choose gradient. When you do that, the second color, you're going to reduce completely its transparency. And now we are just going to do this, adjust a little bit, and voila. Here you have the first solution for boosting some text clarity using Canva. You can also, this is the best way, I think, okay, because you can change the colors, you can change the shape and the gradient directions, but there is also the way that you can go to Elements and search for gradient, and you can choose some gradients. I'll say this one is what I usually go for, because you can, you see, you can kind of put just a little bit of some shade into it, and it looks nice. It doesn't look like too much, and it already helps the reader to get the text right, okay? There are some other variations like this, as you see, but then the problem with that, it's not, oh, in this case, you can change its colors as well, but not for every gradient you can. So sometimes it's not like on the shape that you want or in the direction of the gradient, but this is also a possible way. Let's go for another way now. So you can also click on the text and go to Effects. And here you can choose this one, Lift. It's going to add a shadow in the text, you see? So depending on the image that you have behind it, just by doing this, you already get like enough contrast in your image. So this is also a good option, especially if you combine with the last one. You're going to click on the image and go for Edit. And then you click here on Adjust and go to Brightness. Here you can reduce the image brightness a bit, making the text kind of appear better in the image, as you could see. For some images, I have to say it loses a bit of the image essence, so I wouldn't go for this. Always, this wouldn't be my first option. I would try the other options before that, but depending on the image that you have, alone this is going to make a whole difference. And just a bonus for you who watched till the end, another way of boosting clarity is a simpler way. You can kind of make the text bold if you want, but sometimes it doesn't look the way you want it to look. So this is just an extra, just in case it works for you. I hope you like it.